Kamal Jain here from Real Estate Professionals in Calgary from Western Canada. Bring you another listing of mine. Towing truck business for over 10 years and available for sale for $249,900. And you also have an option to buy the tow truck. It's one-man operation and you make over six-figure income, and it's from center of northeast of Calgary and doing all around Calgary for over 20 years in total. And so it's now available for you to also buy the equipment available for repairing cars. Okay, let's go check out the garage.